We have breaking news right now in the Stand Your Ground shooting case. The Florida bar has just confirmed they're investigating one of Michael Drake's attorneys, Lisa Clifton. News Channel 8's Jamel joins us now live from the Pinellas County Jail, where Michael Drake remains behind bars. But this just took a turn here, Jamel.
Yeah, it took a turn for sure. Well, I can tell you that questions are still swirling about how Lisa Clifton was detained by Michael Drake. We checked with the jail visitation log, and she signed in after hours the day that Drake had first appearance to see him. Did attorney Lisa Clifton violate any Florida bar rules?
There was no solicitation.
According to her, she did not solicit Michael Drake, the man now facing manslaughter charges for shooting and killing Marquise McLaughlin in a Stand Your Ground case that has gained national attention. The Florida bar has confirmed with News Channel 8 they're investigating Clifton. In a statement, she wrote, quote, "I have not been informed by the Florida bar that I am under investigation, so I really can't talk about a complaint I haven't seen," end quote. According to the sheriff's jail visitation log, there are two logs. The lobby log is for daytime hours, which Clifton is not on, but she is on the tower log, which is the after-hours log signed in at 5:15 p.m. Tuesday evening. She emerged from the jail afterwards showing this retainer contract with Drake's initials saying she was now his attorney. When reporters asked Clifton yesterday if anyone in Drake's family contacted her for representation, her response:
No comment.
In Florida, bar officials tell us that they're not releasing any more information until this case is closed or until probable cause is found. In Pinellas County, Jamel, News Channel 8.